Hi, welcome again to another District 228 tech tutorial. And today I'm continuing with Screencastify. What I want to show you is the trim tool. And if you have premium, you can open an editor, but I do not have premium, and most of us will probably go for the free version. So you come over here and you click on the scissors. And this particular screencast is 36 seconds. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to and then I can go ahead and trim it at the end. So I click on the scissors. I go over to 33 seconds. I want to get it down to. I let that go right here. And then you click on Save Trim. And they ask you, so you have to confirm it. Click. And then you get your message that the video is being trimmed, or, it's basically just a screencast. You're hearing my voice. And there we have it. So if you have any more questions about Screencastify or anything else, please contact any District 228 media specialist. You obviously have two in your building. Also, we can be contacted through email or our Google Voice. Thank you. Have a good day.